Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to have another box opening from my subscription from Whatapen. Before that we'll do a quick wrist check, and I am still wearing the Santo Motorsports 3003 that I just did the box opening on. Alright, so Whatapen, as you guys know, is my monthly pen subscription. We've got some news on that. It's just a personal touch, not machine made. Not sure what I got this month, but we'll start opening it up. So I was actually contacted from Randall saying that he is going to discontinue the monthly subscription. His business has picked up quite a bunch, and you know, he's having issues with people wanting to cancel and put their subscriptions on hold, so it's making it harder for him to keep track of the number of pens he needs to make for subscriptions alone. So I'll have one more month of a subscription after this one, and that'll be it for the subscription. But I'll definitely keep in touch and possibly order some more. My guess is, guys, the best way to check out what he's got going on and if he has pens available would be to follow him on Instagram or Facebook. I like the Facebook. You can email him directly if you want a custom job or something done. I'm sure he's still doing that, but his business is growing, so keep that in mind. You know, it's one dude in the workshop turning these pens. So like I said, Facebook's probably a really good way to follow him, just to see if he's made some custom stuff that's going up for sale, and you know, check out his website to see what's available as well. So unfortunately there's not going to be a monthly subscription anymore, but at least the next couple months, or one more month after this video, you'll get to see another example of one of his pens. So looks like we're going to have brass pens with veneer laminate wood this month. It's just a personal touch, not machine made, which is really nice. I really do like the fact that, you know, these are hand turned, hand crafted, hand put together, and I do love a lot of the crazy woods and metals that Randall finds for the pens. So I'm excited to see what we got. So that means the pen set is going to be 2 wooden pens. Usually when it's a metal pen like the one last month, it'll be singular by itself. But when he does the wood pens, it'll be a set. Now, those are flippin' cool. I really like those. The caps are super heavy. The brass hardware on this makes them super heavy, but man, that's cool. Cap screws on the back, really cool designs in the wood itself, all the brass hardware. I have not had one complaint of any pen that Randall has made for me. So that was the ballpoint. Here's the fountain style. The fountain pens actually a little lighter, but they're about the same weight, I guess. But the brass makes it super cool, very unique. You know, I always have pens on my desk from Whatapen that no one else has, and everyone comments on them. So, you know, if you like the looks of these, like I said, probably the best way to see what he's making and what he has going on is going to be to follow him on Facebook and see if there's anything available, because he does sell quite a bit and he makes them in batches when he has wood and has time. And now that the subscription's ending, that's going to be the best way to follow him. But if you want some super awesome unique pens that no one else has, that are handcrafted, man, I don't think you could go wrong. So there's his card again with his Facebook, Whatapen. If you want to email him directly, Randall@Whatapen. You won't be disappointed with his pen. So I'm kind of bummed out that the subscription's ending, but I do have one more month coming so you guys can see some more of the stuff he's making. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.